This song like fucking 4 years ago, we never performed it live. It did really, really well, got loads and loads of streams all over the internet and stuff. And yeah, times are different. Yes! If you know this song, then like fair play, you were listening to my music when literally nobody was, man. No one was listening! Fuck it! Hey! Raindrops smashing on the windows. I can feel you near when the cold blows. Girl, you know I love it when you get low. I left the lights on so you know I'm home. Raindrops smashing on the windows. I can feel you near when the cold blows. Girl, I know you love it when I get low. But you won't come back cause of what I said though. Give it up for Holygrail! Without you, I'm better off than stuck in land. I can't move without you. I'm so lost on my own. I can't find where to go. So long time to the bone. I just wish you were home. Better off than stuck in land. I can't move without you. Lost on my own. Call your phone. I can't live without you. And I just been laying in bed, staring at the ceiling, head down, my heart filled with dread. Said I can't shake this feeling. Every now and then, yeah, my head gets low. Every other day, man, my brain feels. When you look into my eyes, yeah, it feels so cold. So I smoke until I choke and let the thoughts unfold. I'm better off dead, stuck in lead. I can't move without you. Lost on my own, call your phone. I can't live without you. 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 So the raindrops smashing on the windows. I can feel you near when the cold blows. Girl, you know I love it when you get low.